everybody. Hey everybody. So today I want to talk about the things I use to get me through my first month of having baby River. First of all, I use prayer because I have 3 other children and Lord knows I need it. Second of all, my husband was very helpful because he took off work for the first maybe 6 weeks. He only worked on the weekend, so that definitely helped. And my parents helped me too. They cooked breakfast for the kids and made sure they were taken care of in the morning time. And their sisters and brothers definitely helped me as well. They always got me diapers and wipes and whatever I needed, water, whatever I needed. So they were very helpful as well. But now I'm going to show you the actual physical things as far as like things you can buy at the store that definitely helped me get through. It hasn't been super hard. I've had a little bit of baby blues, a little postpartum here and there, but I think it was more so being tired and overwhelmed of a new journey in my life. Okay, Reese is going to be my helper today. She's going to pass me the things that I'm going to say in the video that helped me get through my first month of having River.
Baby sister!
First of all, this swaddle has saved me. They show you how to swaddle in the hospital with the regular blanket, so you don't have to have this type of swaddle, but this one, her body goes in this part and you wrap her up like this and it keeps her warm, so it helps her sleep. To me, it helps her sleep longer because she's warm. She feels like she's in your stomach still. Okay, and then we have baby mittens. River's hands are really cold, so these keep her hands warm and it stops people from touching her hands like her sisters and brothers, and it stops her from scratching herself. Also, I use hats to keep her warm because, you know, heat and cold air goes straight through your head if you don't have a hat on. So to stop her from sneezing a lot, because babies sneeze when they're cold, I use a lot of hats. So I say get about maybe like about 6 hats so you can keep them in rotation with washing them and not losing them. Even mittens, I say get about 6 pairs so you don't lose. I mean, they're easy to lose because they're so little. Okay, Reese, what are you gonna pass me next? Hey, RJ.
This.
Okay, so for those who like to take pictures like me, these are those stickers, and it comes with all the months. It even has like my first smile, my first step, sit up, stand, sleep. Hey RJ, you want to say hey? Roll over, my first 2. You can get this from anywhere. Walmart. RJ wants to speak.
Hey.
Hey, say hey.
Hey.
Say look at my hair.
Hey.
My hair. Say I look good. RJ, say I look good. Say I look good. Say I'm good. Say I'm a big boy.
Say I'm big boy. I just say big boy. Big boy.
Say bye. Tell him bye-bye.
Bye.
Say I'm going bye-bye. Blow him a kiss. Blow him a kiss, RJ. Mwah.
Good job.
Say, RJ, say like and subscribe. Say subscribe. Yeah. Yep, that's not his first word, girl.
I think it is. He hasn't said it.
Riley, you gonna come speak to the camera? Okay, give me something else. Reese, Riley, I'm shooting a video.
I can't.
You can come speak. Okay, Reese, give me some. Riley, give me some. Or Reese, give me something else to show the camera. Can you show me the diaper bag?
Diaper bag.
You wanna give them?
No, I didn't get it.
Okay, of course, everybody needs a diaper bag. Mine is oversized because I need to stuff River stuff and RJ, which is my 1-year-old stuff in here too. And Riley and Reese, if they have an accident too, everything can fit in here. It's big. I got this one from Burlington. I think it was like $25 or something. This right here comes in handy. This is a portable changing table. If you open it, look, let me show you. The wipes can stay in there. You can put like stuff in the bag, diapers, cream, whatever you need. Alright, now let me finish. This is the best tool that was ever invented. This is called a nose frida. I got this when I had art. Well, someone bought this for me when I had RJ. I've always known about it, but this is a tool made for you to suck snot out of the baby's nose instead of having to do it with your mouth like you old school mamas have to do. I'm sorry, I just can't get with that. This is made for that. So you put your mouth on it, you stick it in the baby's nose, and you hold the other nostril closed, and you suck up, and the snot stays in here. Awesome, because River's nose gets stuffy sometimes because of the air.
And you hold it like this.
Okay, give me something else.
Wow.
Give me the pillow.
This is important.
This is very important. Okay, this is River's pillow. She likes to lay on this. This is cool just to lay on, but the boppy pillow, the one who has the open middle, that's a good one for breastfeeding. I have one too.
No.
But this is just the pillow for her to lay on and to lay in the bed so she don't have to lay on your covers. Nice and fluffy. Okay, give me the bath.
My little brother.
A lot of people say don't use Johnson & Johnson for bath time and lotion time, but I feel like they still have good products. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not a doctor, none of that. But the doctors at the hospital told me not to use Johnson & Johnson, so I just went with what they said, even though I still have some in the house. But I use Dove baby products. And when I say these are the truth, these are the truth. I love these. These are awesome. Soap and lotion. It comes in a pack. Sometimes it has bar soap. They even have wipes, Vaseline, but Dove is, I love it. This is lotion, this is soap.
The cream.
Okay, so diaper cream, you should definitely get diaper cream because their skin isn't used to being in the world and they break out really fast, especially if you don't change them fast enough. So you should definitely put diaper cream on even if they don't have a rash. But River, she had a little yeast, like the cream was not working. So the doctor told me I can use the same thing you use for ringworm or for the yeast that she had in her diaper area. But she prescribed me some cream too. It's called clotrimazole. But it's the same thing you use for ringworm. She told me I can get over counter, but I got it through the pharmacy. Okay, give me the bathtub.
And this is really important.
Where's the gripe water?
Baby.
Yeah, this is important for taking a bath. The baby can't hold their head up, so this is what I use to bathe her. They have bathtubs too. They have the little nets inside. I have one of those for downstairs, but for upstairs I use this one. It's very convenient. It just goes in and out the tub. Okay, so this is what I breastfeed. So I breastfeed River. And then after I breastfeed her, she always has to burp. I hold her in the upright position, I burp her, and sometimes that doesn't work too either. She doesn't get settled. So I give her gripe water, which helps settle her from hiccups, gas, and all of that. Let me see. Can y'all see it? All right, so the gripe water definitely helps her. It helps her get settled. It helps her use the bathroom sometimes whenever she's trying to get it out, and it helps her burp. It stops her from hiccups, and it just helps her relax. It's nighttime. They have daytime and nighttime. They come in a 2-pack, but this is at Walgreens, Target. This is everywhere. You should keep this in your bag. I swear by this. Okay, so now I'm gonna show y'all how to burp River, the best way to get her burp out and the fastest way. But for new moms, you have to burp your baby every time you feed them, even breastfeeding. And you have to make sure they're dry before. They're not gonna sleep if they're not dry. If they have gas, it's just not gonna happen. Let me go get the baby. Okay.
This is the little cutie.
Okay, so here's River. Probably can't even tell it's a baby. See, she's swaddled up in her blanket. All nice and warm. Her arms are tucked in. She has a hat on. She has socks on, gloves on. Okay, so this is how you burp her to get the burp out the best way. You hold her really high where your shoulders and her stomach. See? She doesn't have to burp right now, but this gets the burp out the fastest. I know at nighttime you probably feel lazy, you don't want to walk around, but if you want to sleep, get up and burp the baby. And at nighttime, these are the best gowns for the baby to sleep in because you're able to change her diaper really fast and it keeps her warm and it has mittens on it. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the gown she have on.
No, RJ. No.
See, her hands are covered
Mommy.
up. So she has on a gown. I put this gown on after I bathe her. And the gown, has like a stretchy open bottom, see, and it has her feet and everything in it. But these are easy to get on and get off, which is what you want with the baby, because they're impatient, they're crying, and everything else. So those are my tips for new mommies and mommies going through their first month, even second month. Grab water helps a lot. And those are just little things if you're trying to get your bag ready or trying to figure out what you need. And of course you need diapers and wipes. That's pretty new. I use grab water till they're about 6 months, until they're able to birth on their own, and you know, they're able to pass gas a little bit easier. But I mean, this is my 4th baby, so it's, to me, it's not that hard.
No.
This is my 4th child. As you can see, my 2nd child right here needs a lot of attention. So she's right up under me, always trying to help me. My son, he's pretty independent, so it kind of helps me. I have to watch him though, because he be getting into stuff. And my oldest child, she's kind of independent as well too. But this one right here, she needs all the attention in the world. But they're all helpful. They're all good babies. And if it's your first baby, you can do it. Hang in there. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask for help, because every woman needs help, even if you feel like you're Superwoman. Yeah, you can hold it up. This is something new. This is like, how many minutes? This is a 30-minute timer to help you time when you're how long you're breastfeeding. I know some people don't keep up with time, but it's pretty cool to me. Not the newborns don't really feed for 30 minutes, but it gives you an estimate of what 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
13.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Say bye.
Bye. That's a little cutie. Oh man,
Oh, bye.
with that crazy hair. Bye.